All right, now I'm going to turn it over to Jamie, but let's come back to my screen because Jamie's going to talk to us about all the great social media stuff that she's doing because she is our queen of social media. She's the one getting all the cool what are those called? Boomerang videos and stuff on this. I love the boomerang. So, Jamie, take it away and tell us about our different social media offerings.
So we are on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn, and we're active on all of them. We post daily content. You can message us or comment on anything, and we'll answer any questions you have. And then we are also active in some Facebook groups that we like to post our own content in, or we'll answer questions, or we'll just banter on some of the posts. And we're active on all these channels and always available to chat on them.
And we're not robots. We're live people are going to answer your questions. So if we're a little bit stumbling or have some typos in it, we apologize. We're trying to get back to you with the best information we can. And we want that feedback. So just like today's show, I want feedback. And you can give it to us through emails, through the chat, call us on the phone, through social media. What do you think of the new website? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? What features do you love? What features do you hate? We are trying to design a better experience for our customers to get them the information they want, to get the products that fit their budget, to give them the kind of service and support that they can buy with confidence. And I think we're well on the path to doing that. So, Jamie, you've done a great job on that. It's great to have you back as our queen of social media. You're doing a great job, and we appreciate that.